Hi viewers, welcome to our Trading for Living video series. So in first video we have discussed some checkpoints for trading for living, my psychology parameters, my trading style, my money management skills. So in this video we'll be looking at what type of traders you should look at, what are the opportunities in India, and how can you go through this journey of being a successful trader. So if you look at the first types of traders in India, or you can look at what are the types of trading you can do in your journey of trading for living. First is scalping. So basically, what is scalping? Scalping is the trade which are for a flick of seconds, which doesn't last long. So you are just playing for a quick gains, quick momentum gains. Some traders play for bid-ask spread. Some traders play for 10 seconds straight, 5 seconds straight, and these are basically the momentums which one of the traders play out. The advantage over here is because you are not holding the positions overnight, your risk is on the lower side. The advantage again is the moves which are on the momentum trades, and again selecting the stock, selecting the index is very much important because you have to look at the stock which are into the momentums. The disadvantage over here is because you have to be on toes from right from start of the market to end of the market. So you have to be on screen full time when you're doing scalping because these trades are for flick of seconds. Second is intraday. Uh, the word intraday means you are entering the during the days, squaring off before the markets close out. Again, you have need to have some of the fixed strategies to find out, and here again stock selection plays a key role. And if I just look at for example, if you look at the momentum, stocks is not moving into the day, or it has a slightly on an average move of around 0.7 0.8% or less than 1%, it doesn't make sense that you are entering into the such kind of trades and we're holding the positions for a whole day. And the reason is because you might miss out some of the opportunities where the stocks are volatile. So intraday is the one segment you can look at. Third is swing or momentum. So basically what is swing or momentum is that you enter a trade for more than one day, which could last for 1 week, 15 days, 20 days, 1 month. And the next is the short to medium term trades. Generally, these trades are executed on the cash markets, on some of they rarely execute on the futures because it lasts for more than 1 month to around 3 months, 4 months straight. So basically, they are entered into the cash. Those who have, and here the disadvantage is because you need those have capitals on the higher side because you are entering into the cash market, so you have to pay full. No leveraging is allowed into the cash market. So such kind of traders opportunity you can look into the markets. Now, what are the ways to achieve it? Okay, first is either you do screen reading, or it is also known as tape reading, which means that when stocks are into the momentum, as I said, scalping people do. When the stocks are in momentum, you don't look at any levels, you just enter into the trade, and when the momentum is there, you exit into the trade. So that's generally known as screen reading. So you don't have a defined parameters to enter into the trade, to exit out of the trade. So this is basically a screen or tape reading, which is largely used by traders, and it's been one of the, I guess, oldest form of trading style. Second is technical. Now there are various traders who use various technical tools, right from basics to advanced levels. You can name is at candlestick, you can name is at point and figure, Hekenashi, Kagi. There are some parameters who you are using moving averages. So there are various technical tools available for you all to implement your strategy. And advantage of such kind of technical stuffs is you can create your own algos, define your own in and outs, and you have a system in place when to enter, when to exit. And the biggest advantage of this is that you can remove your emotions out of it. So biasness for a trade, the emotions which plays out can be removed. And screen reading, there are emotions because you sometimes feel that the stock is slightly huge volatile, you might miss out. But in technical, you can eliminate that emotions. Third way of achieving is the derivative side, and options writing, options buying, various option 2 leg strategies, 3 leg strategies, 4 leg strategies. So there are a number of strategies like straddles, triangles, butterfly, iron condor. There are various options trader or derivatives traders who implement such kind of strategies and try to make out of it. So there are various spread strategies as well, which are implemented on derivative side. So there are delta, gamma, and such kind of derivatives tools or stuffs where you have an opportunity to gain money out of it. The fourth is the fundamental trading, and basically these are not used in intraday side, but as I said, swing or momentum or the short term type of traders. Such traders use fundamental strategies. Basically, they think that the stock prices have slightly gone on the negative side. Possibly, they are expecting that quarterly results could see. Some want to play the monsoon, where they think that monsoon is slightly above average, and there could be the good profit making for those type of companies. So, such kind of fundamental plays are there where traders use this, and these are the ways to achieve it. The next is opportunities in India. Okay, so you need platform or types of markets where you can implement such kind of strategies, such kind of can find such type of traders. So first is equities, be it the cash market or FNO. So in India we have NSE, BSE being the biggest exchanges in India. Commodities, we have MCX and NCDX where you can implement futures, options. So as of now, NCDX don't have, which is a national commodity exchange, don't have the options, but they are largely known for the agri commodities to be traded. And if you look at the MCX, which is multi commodity exchange, you have bullions, metals, energy, all sort of baskets for options to trade it out. Third is the currency basket, where or the forex market, which is one of the biggest global markets. If you look at the global wise, they are the biggest exchanges or volume wise. So we have in India, we have USD INR, Euro INR, JPY INR, GBP INR. So such kind of features are available in the options. You have USD INR as of now in India. The last segment is the second last segment is ETF. So in India, NS is the one platform which is giving you ETFs. So gold ETFs is the gold bees is the known ETFs in India as of now. And the last is bonds or GSECs. We have into the NSC, so where you can look for such kind of opportunities. Just to sum up, types of traders you have to select on your own skills, and basically intraday or day trading is the popular into the amongst the traders, but you have to just think that the leveraging into the intraday and making out of the profits with your proper strategies is very much important in day trading. uh, Swing trading or momentum trading is the one generally is the most preferable by the experienced traders, because it gives you time to enter, it gives you good momentums, even though markets you think that the stock might go up, but if you look at the momentum, it might not take a day or two, but certainly a week where you are expecting the stock to move on the 10%, 8% high side. So that kind of trades are generally well known. And the types of markets or opportunities in India. So you can just have and start your journey of trading for living and be successful trader. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters, Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.